Never dispute late payments until you watch this full video, because once you understand, you're going to be able to remove these late payments off your report. Now, see, what most people go wrong is they think that, hey, should I be focusing on removing late payments that have multiple late payments on a specific account? Or should I just remove the entire account? What most people do is try to dispute the late payment on their report on a closed account. It doesn't make any sense. So let me break this all down for you. Let's just say, for example, you have closed, just let me give you an example. If you have late payments on a closed account, don't focus on disputing the late payments on the account. Focus on disputing the entire account, because once you remove the entire account off the report, it's going to improve your credit score, because those late payments is affecting your credit score, right? And if you don't know, 35% of your credit score is made up of payment history. So by you removing the entire account off your report, it makes your credit score improve. All right. So instead of trying to fix that 60-day, 90-day late, focus on removing the entire account, because let me show you an example. The entire account gives you leverage. Leveraging the leverage, the information gives you the ability to remove the whole entire account off your report instead of focusing on the payment history, right? If we try to remove a late, don't focus on that, right? Because it takes time to prove that you wasn't late and the account is closed, and most likely you're not going to even investigate it. So what you want to do is focus on the entire account. The entire account, the information, the details gives you the ability to remove it according to 15 USC 1681 EB, right? If you get into the book right here, this information right here gives you leverage, all right? But 15 USC 1681 EB gives you a lot of leverage to remove the entire account. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if you have a late payment, right? Just one 30-day late. Now, if you have one 30-day late and you wasn't late, yes, you can use the law to get the account removed off your report. One of the things you can do is give them a call and say, hey, this is inaccurate. I wasn't late. You have information. You can show that you wasn't late. Now, let's just say you have a open account, because a lot of people don't think that they can remove an open account off their report. If you have an open, let's just say a car loan on your report, right? You have a car and you was late, life happened, and you was late multiple times. You can remove that entire car loan off your report according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. According to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the information within the Fair Credit Reporting Act, because of, guess what? The law states that Experian, TransUnion, Equifax has to assure maximum possible accuracy. So, with that being said, if that specific car loan, the open date of last payment, date last active, payment history is incorrect, it gives you the ability to dispute the entire account and get it off your report. And guess what? They're not going to come pick up the car. You're disputing the information of how it's being reported. So don't focus on the late payment, focus on the account, because once you focus on removing the entire account, and I know what you're thinking, it's just late payment outweighs age. I'm gonna say it again. Payment history, 35% of your credit score outweighs 15% of your credit score. So removing the entire account is going to significantly increase your credit score 50, 100, 200 points, all depending on what you have going on with your report. Use this information, leverage it, and let's see I know your credit score is going to increase once you implement these steps and these things that I share with you. Hold up, wait. Don't forget to grab the #1 free credit repair letter in America, completely free. It's the secret letter. Go to freesecretletter.com. The link is also going to be pinned to the comments. Go grab it, use it for your first round, and get results.